back again. We're finishing up on this. Appreciate you guys still following us and stuff. We're getting the backlights and everything put on, and we're getting ready to run the wires, and we made our little clips and stuff like that to hold our stuff. So we're gonna keep you guys posted on the adventure. We're gonna start moving to that front. Thank you very much. Guys, so we got these clips that we made, and we are installing them here on to hold the lights. You see the whole process right here, the way they're set up. There's 5 in the sequence on each side, and so we are literally putting these in and clamping them down, and then we'll be moving on from each wheel to each wheel. Alright, we got them installed, guys. Everything's up and running. Looking groovy. Disco night. What do you think? Give me back your replies. Thanks for following us. Go for it. Pull out.